So after designing, we can select our design and click on File, Export Selection. Then after selecting export selection, then we can pick one of these design and export. If you're actually exporting for the first time, you see just one option of this on the screen. But if you're exporting for the second, third, fourth, then it keeps piling up. So we'll be exporting just the selected one as PNG format, and we'll select the location of our export. I will export on my desktop. Then it will open the folder location after exporting. Just one is been ticked. Then okay, they will click export assets. That's all basically. Then you click export assets. Then it has opened the location. So let's look for where we have the icon. Okay, assets. The name is actually okay. This is it in the folder. I created a folder 1x. Then we have it here. It's in PNG format. It has no background. So yeah, it's looking very blurry because we are exporting just one of the skills. So now let's go and export a very detailed resolution of it. So close. That is one option. So exporting a very detailed resolution of it, what we'll do is okay, let's delete this asset export. Let's delete this. We can still use them if we wish, but let's delete them for now. So let's go back, export selection again. So now we don't have a lot of assets piled up here. We just have one single one now that we can work with. You can decide to pile up your assets if you want, but I like cleaning the screen. So now let's export to resolution. We now select this particular option, resolution. Then we'll change the resolution format. Change the resolution format to 300. So export. Now we'll compare the quality of both together. So this now has different resolution, this has a different resolution. So let's open this. So one, let's bring it here around the side. Then the second one, which is this. So see the difference. This has more quality. If we zoom in this now, it's out. Then if we zoom in this, still detailed. So that is that for exporting logos or assets in Illustrator. See you in the next tutorial.